All right, y'all. Look at this. Would you look at this? Would you look at this? Woo!
I'm freaking speechless. I cannot. I'm at a loss for words. Just check it out. Hold down power is absolutely incredible.
Now let's see what we get when we turn all down to one section. That's crazy. Didn't go anywhere. That's crazy. Crazy. Like crazy. Like, yeah. Not gonna be losing small parts anymore.
Wow. Can't pick it up.
Your boy is excited over here. The small things make me happy. Ooh. That piece is small. I'm like, I can't move it. I can't move it at all. Freaking crazy, man. This stuff is amazing.
So that is using a significant amount of my strength to be able to move that 4" by 4" coaster. I'm telling you guys, I'm blown away. This is incredible.
Like crazy. Like, yeah. Not gonna be losing small parts anymore.
Rink. I'm blown away.
That's crazy. Crazy.